Is this you at school? Fat? Santa Claus's cousin? Gave you at school all the time. Jumpers are jumpers! Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling!
It's because I'm fat, huh?
Yeah,
Racists!
Oh, racist, and they hate fat people. Now introducing Rolls Be Gone. The magical liquid that you supply to the stomach. Tell us, Mom, what's it like to have a fat kid as a son?
Well, it's like he eats so much. It's just a struggle, when I buy the food. And,
Yeah, hey, you're in a beach sprout. Go to your room. What? Whoa, his brother's even amazed. What the bejeebers? He's skinny now.
Miracle!
Oh my gosh.
Skinny!
Is this you at school now, beating kids up who are skinny and fat? Oh, now you're
fat ones now.
Yeah, you're the fat ones, you fatties. Oh, you okay, little guy? Take this.
Yeah.
Well, maybe you guys should try some of it.
Okay.
Come on, give some to him. You guys have to share it. Wow. Tell us, what's it like to be skinny? I mean, seriously.
Awesome.
So now you have to call them what one word? It's blank blank and blanked whales. What are they?
Beached whales.
Wow.
What
This is
just-
what the heck? We didn't tell you. If you take this, you either become fat or pregnant, obviously.
Oh, no.
So now, tell us.
Skinny people get fat. Fat people get skinny. What?
Yeah, I'm gonna try that. But those two are my kids, and I love them kind of, not anymore. But still, I hate this. Having a fat kid is hard. Go beat him up. Come on. Show my sons a lesson.
No!
Uh-oh. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. That's all. Now don't forget to buy Rolls Be Gone.
Yeah!
So with many different liquids, we're not in charge of whatever happens to your fat or skinny body. Bye-bye for now.